Good morning everyone. Myself Sanjeev Sapkar and I am going to take the period of class 6th subject science and chapter number 2 component of food. In previous period we completed the chapter number 1. Now we are focusing on our next chapter, chapter number 2 components of food. So in first chapter we make a list of food items, which food items are taken daily on daily basis. So where does it comes from is our next question on that topic. We in this unit we know about actual what is the meaning of meal and what kind of foods uh, contain some kind of nutrients, minerals, and all the things behind that. Now I just used one word meal. So what does meal means? A particular meal contains chapati, dal, brinjal curry, just an example. So all these contain a particular meal. So according to that we perform one activity here. We make a list of some states and region, and from the different region and the states particular they contain what type of meal in daily basis. So in our table, first that is state and region, in second items of grains, next items of dal, vegetable, and another is the other. We take an example of state Punjab. In state Punjab, items of grains, dals, and vegetables. What they contains? In first item of grain, they contain makki, and in second, that is in items of dal, they contain rajma and vegetable portion. They contain sarso saag, and last other, that is curd and ghee are the common usable ingredient or component of the foods. First of all, here we talk about only one state, Punjab. Your homework is that you have to make a list of another regions also, like Maharashtra, Andhra, and all the regions behind that. So here I try to explain a particular meal. What does it contain? Next is what is food or what items they contains. So each dish or made up of a particular ingredients, that is dal, vegetable, or from that source we get it, that is obviously from plants and animals. So in our daily diet we contain all these things as a components. So what is a component particularly? The components commonly called as the nutrients. What nutrients we have on daily basis? That is carbohydrates, which is necessary, then fats, after that proteins, vitamins, minerals, all the components of food collectively called as nutrients. So my question is here, we have all the components in our daily diet, or another question is like that you have to make a list of all the things or all the items of grains and dals that contains that particular components, that is which type of nutrients they have, if they give protein, fats, or carbohydrates, or so on. So you have to make a list of a food items or grains. So now here the time we have to perform some activity there to confirm to confirm the in our food what components of foods are there. First one is the taste of carbohydrates or the taste of proteins or fats. Our aim is to taste carbohydrate, protein, fats by doing some simpler processes. So, what chemicals we need to continue this activity? Solution of iodine, copper sulfate, and caustic soda. So, what is our aim? Aim is to identify these components: carbohydrates, proteins, and fat. Second one, which chemical we need? That is caustic soda, iodine solution are needed. Also copper sulfate are needed to perform. So what kind of apparatus? Next thing is what apparatus you have to collect. In apparatus, some test tubes and dropper we need to perform. So precautions are there. Don't eat the tested food uh, which will be in our observation. So first, the taste of carbohydrates. First one is the taste of carbohydrates. So how will we will confirm in our food the carbohydrate is there? So first of all, we have to take test tube, and in that test tube we put some drops of dilute iodine solution, and the color get completely changed, that is blue black color. That is our food item, and on that food item we have to put 2 to 3 drops of I2 solution, iodine solution. The particular food get acquire a color, that color is the blue black color, and here we confirm in our food we contain carbohydrate in the form of starch. Second activity is identify protein in our food. So for that purpose we have to take a small quantity of food. To that add 10 drops of water. After that shake the test tube very well, and then add copper sulfate into that or caustic soda into that. So some color change process happens there. All the contents acquire a violet color, and in that case we confirm that our food items have protein in as a component. So nutrient are there in the form of carbohydrates and proteins. Another is the third process is identify the fats from our food. So we have to take some quantity of food, wrap with the quantity of food from the paper, crush it very well. After that you have to see into the light area the oily patches on that paper. So if there are the oily patches on that paper, light oily patches on the paper, it confirms our food contain fats. So there are the certain techniques to identify the carbohydrate, protein and fats in our daily diet. So what various nutrients do for our body is our next point. So we talked about the nutrients and the components of the food. So what is the role of that nutrients for our body? We clearly know about that they are the source of energy. Fats and carbohydrates are the source of energy. They gives us energy. In comparing between both fats and carbohydrate. Fat gives much more energy than the carbohydrates. So what are the common sources of that? Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are obtained from sweet potato, sugarcane, mangoes, and wheat, papaya, all the sources of the carbohydrates. Fats. Fats obtained from nuts, tea, groundnut, fishes, eggs, milks, and all other sources are like that. Proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of our body. Proteins are uh, available from fish, eggs, meat, paneer, and all other things. Another most is the vitamins. Vitamins protects our body against diseases and helps keeping our eyes, bones, teeth healthy. So, what are the different sources of the? Uh, First of all, we are focusing on the different kinds of the vitamins. Vitamins are A, C, D, E, and K. A, C, D, E, and K are the common kinds of vitamins, and the group of all the vitamins are called as B complex. So there are different kinds of vitamins. In the topic, we focusing some components of the food. For that purpose, we explain some activities there: carbohydrate, protein, and fat. Identify of these three, and we make a list of region from their items in grain and items in dal and sources and other. So that certain points we focusing here. So I in continuation I give some homework to you. So you have to perform it. Thank you.